This is one of the coolest bikes on the showroom floor. It's a new 2019 CVO Road Glide. Mako Shark Fade. This bike has the massive 117 cubic inch engine with 125 foot-pounds of torque. With the classic shark nose, frame-mounted fairing, this bike handles amazing. With the all-black features, can't get any better than this. Speakers in the saddlebag and the fairing. It has the new GTS Boom infotainment that functions like a smartphone, very easy to use. This bike is for sale at Biggs Harley-Davidson in San Marcos, California.